Hello everyone. Am I audible to you?
Hi.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So, firstly, everybody, thank you for the waiting. Actually, I was occupied in some sort of the client call, so it took me some time to connect you. Okay, so before we discuss further, I really would like to know about you as well as I would like to give introduction about me. I'm Ekta. I'm associated with this role since last more than 10 years into HR, as well as like it's been many more years. I have been like working as a the senior consultant in one of the MNC, and my role is completely into Workday SCM. I'm managing 2 3 modules means that is into Workday SEM. That is almost heart of the Workday, because without that you nobody will able to like learn any new module in that. Apart from that, my forte is into recruiting module as well as compensation reporting, and also like I'm good into this integration part as well as time tracking and absence management. So like after like spending many more years into HR, then after like I switched my career into this, because nowadays you know that the demand is too much high in this workday. So more than like 6 7 years of experience I have into this, specifically if you consider into this workday, then yeah, my forte is into this all modules like that what I have informed to you. So this short introduction about me, and I really would like to, because see, this is the first session, so of course I don't want to like get more over into the technical stuff, because I before what I believe as a trainer, because I have trained many more students into this workday, and before starting any things, I just would like to know about you. Means your base is what, your background is what, your goal is what you are thinking about the workday. I really would like to give some sort of the clarity, and then we can start ahead. Am I correct? Hello, hope you all are
Yeah.
there. Siva and Parul.
Yes. We are
Fine.
in there.
So Parul and Siva, can you please give me? Acha, okay, got that. Okay, so sorry. So Siva, can you please give me your introduction to me? Give some
Sure.
basic information about you, so it
Yeah.
gives me
So,
clarity.
myself, Siva. So, I have completed a MBA. So, HR and finance, my specializations. So,
Mm-hmm.
after that, I have started my career as a non IT. So, 4 years experience I'm having. So, now I was planning to switch my career. So because of that one only, I choose this HCM Cloud Workday. Because
Okay.
of why? Because means I already completed an MBA, so I know the administration and this HR and all. So from end
Mm-hmm.
to end, so that's why I
Mm-hmm.
was looking for this course.
Okay, got you. So you worked in non-IT things. So that was into what?
Yes. That is related to account sections I have worked on,
Okay, good
like
then.
general
Good.
ledger. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Now
good to know
I was
this.
planning to change my career here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Siva, so you I can simply say that you took like right decision at right time, because
Yeah.
nowadays workday is too much booming. So before we discuss further about the, I give you like complete clarity about the workday. What is workday SCM, and like what are the modules are there, what are the like job opportunities are there, what kind of designation you may get into the market. About the packages we will like definitely discuss later on, but we will discuss more about this workday SCM wala part today. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so I'm sharing my screen to you. Please confirm once it's visible to you.
Yes. Yeah. I can see.
Is it visible? Okay.
Yeah. It's
So
visible.
this is some simple like document that is prepared by me just to give like basic information and understanding about the workday. So the what is workday? Do you have any idea? Means have you ever done like any research prior to come to this course?
No.
Okay, no problem. So, have you ever heard this different ERPs called SAP, Success Factor, then
Yeah. ERP. I
F&O
know that one.
D365? Okay, you heard.
Yeah.
It
And
means you are aware of
yeah.
this, right? Right. So this is one of the well-known ERP. We can say that is Workday, and specifically in this ERP, they have like two part. We can say one into human capital management, and second is finance. So finance that comes under like everything, finance and yeah. So in human capital management, see the first of all, I would like to give you a clarity about the Workday. Workday is in ocean. As an expertise, I can say okay, I have spent many more years into this Workday SEM. But even if like my forte, or I'm getting opportunity to work on some sort of the modules, not the entire SEM. Okay, so firstly, like once we complete this SEM part, in that you will get to know like how to create the hierarchies, everything I have like mentioned over here, the responsibilities and all. The you like your basic responsibilities will be there, like requirement gatherings and configuration of the Workday tenant system and all the things. But majorly, my mean is to say, once you complete this SCM part, because that is the new. In SCM, you will be gonna learn how to create companies, how to create cost centers, how to create hierarchies, how to create the workflow, how to create business processes, how to create staffing, right? The staffing position, because these are the base. Without that, nobody will able to like build up the next step. Say suppose if in future, if any of the company they are coming to us, because say suppose like we are Workday partner, any of the company they are Workday partner, and any of the clients are coming to them, and directly they are saying that okay, they want to implement Workday recruiting module. So always as a consultant, they will ask, are you using the Workday? It means already core SCM is implemented or that is yet to implement. Always they will ask, because Workday SCM, that is the heart of Workday. Without that, nobody, means not the single company can implement any other module, such as recruiting, time and absence, then payroll, uh, the payroll, then performance management. So there are so many modules available in the Workday. So this Workday is completely ERP, means that is cloud based ERP system. Why this is booming into the market? Because this is 100% own cloud ERP, so that it provides real time data processing and reporting. It is always like also user friendly and modern interface. It means it is very easy to use. In the starting, once we get into the tenant, there are like multiple, means there are few types of tenant information, that everything I will be going to share once you like get into this training. But prior to that, you must be aware of these things, like what is the Workday. So I'm just making you more clear on this. And the UI is very user friendly, easily like you can get into that. But of course, like in the starting phase, you may get some difficulties or challenges, okay, how it works and all. But I will be, means here in Zeppelin, we have made this course pretty simple for the students, where especially I, whatever the training I will be going to offer to you. So once we complete some sort of the modules, after that I have prepared some sort of the cheat sheets. It means each and every steps I have listed in the document, the step by step processes. So once we provide training to you, then after completion of some sort of the topics, I will offer that, I will forward that document to you for your ready reference. So with the access of this tenant, you can practice all the things. So minimum what we are expecting to get expertise in this core SEM, at least 5 to 6 times you need to do the practice. Okay, we will be always there to support you, but you have to make practice. So this is what our method is. Once every day there will be a session, we will provide training on the tenant, that specific Workday ERP system. On a tenant, we will provide training to you. Then after, we will provide this cheat sheet to you. And after completion of some sort of the module, then after, like I will provide assignment to you. So it will give you a more clarity and more confidence before appearing for the interview. Right, then next is why Workday is in high demand. So this is cloud based ERP, this is real time analytics and reporting, then high scalability for the global companies, frequent update and innovation. This is the important part, because this is completely on a cloud base. So frequent updates, here you can see this automatic twice yearly upgrade. It means there are like two types of release they are making, R1 and R2, release 1, release 2. One in the month of March and another in the month of September. Now, what is release? Release, it means nowadays, you know that. the technology is going on. Means every day there are no new technologies are coming into the market, and each and everybody, means consultant or any developers, everybody has to like keep learning and keep implementing. So in Workday, this is the best part. Every twice in a year they are releasing some new updates into the system, right? So that like it is never ending kind of process. Once you get into the Workday, I can commit you that up to like 10 to 15 years your job will be secure, your future will be secure. You don't need to, even like you don't need to go towards the another ERPs. That what like I can say, because every two times in a year like they are making new release, new features, new updates. So again, as a consultant, like you need to understand that, you need to test that, and for that like you need to give such information to the clients, and again like client will have some sort of the thing, so the support will be always there. Okay, so this is never ending kind of things, that what you can consider. So your job, in terms of like job purpose, it is more securable for the long period of the time. Then Workday versus traditional system, some sort of the like that differentiate that I have listed, just to give you a more clarity about how the traditional system are work and how the Workday. But if you consider, if you check like deployment, then in the traditional system there are like premises, or sometimes on premises plus hybrid, and but in Workday everything is will be on cloud. And updates here like manual, because some of the part they are like managing on the on premises or maybe hybrid, so the updates will be on manual basis, and here everything is on a cloud, so automatic flow will be there. Then user interface here in a traditional system, if you've been through, I am not sure whether you have seen any other ERPs or not. Then if you have seen like SAP or something, then there are multiple options available. But here Workday is very modern and easy. It means when I give you this is just like summarized demo, that what like I'm giving to you. But once we get into the system, then I will show you the I will give you that we can say the tour of the entire tenant. So in Workday, only using one like search bar, or only using one option, you will be able to perform up to 70-80% task. Of course there are like many ways to perform those tasks, but my mean is to that the system is that much simple. What we need is, we just need continuous practice, because it's an ocean. Again, I'm repeating, it's an ocean. It's simple, that doesn't mean okay, you just learned once and you are done for the day. No, because every two times release, as I said. But yeah, it's easy, that what I can say, but practice makes men perfect, so you have to keep practicing. And also it's very easy to understand, and here we are here to make it more easier for you, so don't worry at all. Then reporting, here the limited, here the real time, I'm not getting like that much into this thing. Then this is again some sort of the comparison, that what I made. But who uses Workday? So if you have like made some sort of the research, then HR managers, HR business partners, recruiter, payroll and finance team, executives or leadership, employee self-service, means these all are the people, like mostly they're using the Workday. And as a consultant, we are like testing the we are gathering the requirement of the client, we are understanding the requirements of the client. As per the requirement, we are implementing the entire business process, the workflow into the system. So that will be like gonna our roles and responsibilities. In the starting phase, you might get like some sort of the responsibilities to work on this SCM wala part. But yeah, always as a consultant, you the managers will be always expect you to have like good communication as well, so you can interact with the stakeholders. So but don't worry, like all the informations we will be going to provide. Then who is Workday SCM functional consultant? So professional who configure the Workday modules, they are called functional consultant. The person that they should understand the business process. See, the best part in your career is that like you already did this MBA into HR and finance. And in Workday is into both things, means in SCM as well as finance. So you have the base knowledge, so the process you understand easily. Okay, because based on the processes you need to implement the system. So once the flow is clear, at the time it will be gonna much easier for you as compared to the other student. That's what I can say. then work with client and implement solution. You get an opportunity in future like to get in touch with the clients and implement the solution as per the need. And as a consultant, we need to act as a bridge between IT and HR teams. Fine. And the responsibilities most probably, see, this is not the like limited responsibilities, the some sort of the like basic common responsibilities that I have mentioned over here for your clarity. But responsibilities always differ from company to company and role to role based on the experience. So usually like it is requirement gathering from stakeholder, configuration of the workday system, testing means UAT testing, whatever like you have built up, whatever you have configured, you need to test in different tenant. Then user training and documentation. Once you have configured everything, once that flow works well at the time, and once you implement that, right, then after like as a consultant, we need to take training with those clients, different stakeholders, and provide training to them. We need to keep updated the documents for their ready references as well. Always we have to be ready for the system support and enhancement and reports creation as per the client's requirement. And now next is in core SEM foundation module. See, this is what the important features. So in core SEM organization structure. So here in this course, we will be gonna learn this, how to create company, how to create cost center, how to create supervisory. It means the hierarchies and all, who is reporting to whom, right? So everything that the entire flow we will be gonna learn. Then staffing models, that is like position management or job management, the difference between this both. In our here in the training session, what usually we will do before we start any of the module, I'll give you like some sort of the theoretical part. Means I will explain what is this, why it is, and then after like we will perform that into the tenant. So it will be easier for you, because sometimes as I explained this in the first um, in the starting of this session, this yearly updates. So as a consultant, whenever like you will face the interview, you may have to face such kind of questions like, okay, how many releases work they are like declaring in a year, in which month. So this can be the interview question, R1 and R2. So that micro level of information also like we will be going to take care of that, and I will try my level best to give you all the entire, means each and information which will be useful for you to clear the interview. So here we will be gonna learn this business process framework. Business process, that is the heart of this entire workday. So limited to this core SCM module, I will show you okay how the business processes and functionality works. And the employee life cycle, we will be gonna learn hire, job change, termination. What are the steps you need to perform. Some basic part of compensation, how to create the package plan, how to create the salary plan, how to create the bonus plan. So such kind of components or compensation plan also like we will be going to learn in this session. Okay. So in core SEM, usually that many things we will be gonna cover. But once this core SEM training gets over, and then after like we will assist you for the as per the team, like they will assist you for the interview and all, even like some sort of the material we do have. So we will definitely offer you for the interview preparation. And always as a consultant, as a consultant, our first priority is what? After providing you training, you will guide you in a way you easily get an opportunity to land into the work there. So always your first motive will be there. You anyhow, hook or crook, you want to land into the workday. So once you land into the workday, the SCM knowledge is pretty much enough. Okay. But if you want to survive and if you want to like build a really good career into this workday, so I always recommend my students to get, give some more knowledge on different module as well. At least more two modules, 1 to 2 modules, right? So this how like they can give like good impression of their like CV and they get like number of the opportunities in the market. So these are the advanced level of the modules, like recruiting, talent and performance. As per their area of interest, they can opt any of the one after completion of the SCM module. The learning management, advanced compensation, payroll, workday prism analytics, and integration. This is somewhat like a technical part, but these all are like non-technical things. So you can then timings and time tracking and absence management, this is also one of the module. So any of the module like training you can take, but without core SCM knowledge, you won't be like able to learn or able to take training on this, because if you, even if like you will take from anywhere, you won't be able to understand anything, because this is what the style of taking, style of learning workday. So first is core workday SEO, and why I'm sharing, I'm just sharing for your reference, so you can create your future plan accordingly. Okay, some sort of the information you have in your mind, and you become clear, okay, what you want to do actually after completion of the SCM. In that direction you keep thinking. Okay, and if you have any of the question, feel free to like coordinate either with me or any of the team members who are like on this call. And these are the career path at the level of beginner, junior, mid-level, senior, expert. Of course this designation are different as per the experience level, as per the company wise company, that is like bit different. Okay, so this is what about the basic information about the workday. Hope you get at least basic information about the workday modules, what kind of opportunity you will get into the market after learning this.
Yeah,
Right,
yes, I
Siva?
have one doubt. Yes, yeah.
Please, please,
So
please.
actually, yeah, so integration, you have not mentioned anything like the third party integrations is there, right?
Hmm.
So what the integration also are you covering on this course or not?
See, for integration, yeah, the basic part, inbound, outbound, that what even like I'm able to make you understand. But for the entire course, the course detail, like what kind of topics we will be gonna cover, that you need to discuss with the team, the Zeblan team. You have to get clarity. Okay, what are the like course details they will be gonna offering to you, and based on that, I will complete all those modules and topics. So better you
Okay,
check with
if
them.
yeah, okay. Okay, if I learn this course,
Mm-hmm.
can I like functional consultant and a techno functional consultant is there, right? So
See,
if
yeah,
I complete this
yeah.
one, which one I should mention in my resume?
See, again, as I said, like in the SCM, there are few more topics are there. If you cover only this SCM, staffing, compensation basics, so you will be considered as a functional consultant. But if you'll be
Okay.
gonna cover this basic part, see, again, the reporting I'm telling, but that doesn't mean that okay, entire reporting module we will be gonna learn. No, as a part of SCM part, some reporting, some sort of the calculated field, and some part of this integration. If you will be going to cover that as well, then your CV means you will be known as techno functional consultant. So for that, like the course details, you need to get like clarity about the course detail, what kind of things you will be gonna learn, and based on that we will provide you the training.
Okay, okay. Why? Because I asked this question. The
Mm-hmm.
technical and integration is not mentioned in this one, so that's why I asked it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, because this is how like we have two segments, functional and techno functional. So techno functional, in that like we are covering some more topics and modules as I assist you, and in functional only functional part will be there, but all the parts are enough like to get at least land into the work in the starting.
Okay, okay. I got it now.
Anything else, feel free
No,
to ask.
nothing. Yeah, yeah, nothing, nothing.
Okay, so hope you
And
get the
also
like
resume
uh-huh.
preparation and the technical interview questions and answers, everything you are supporting, right?
Yeah, exactly, we are supporting for that. The team will support
Okay.
for the resume
And also
preparation
you are
and for
providing
interview.
access, right? Server access also you are providing, right?
Exactly. The team will provide server access to you for the practicing purpose.
Okay. Oh, Okay. Okay, got it. No, no questions for me.
No, no, that's fine for that's enough for today. The basic part, everything I have covered. Once Siva, if Siva has any of the doubt, ask him to like get in touch with you people. I will be always there to support. And once he will be in, you just do let me know so I can assist you for the further training part.
Yeah, no, I don't have any questions. Okay, sure.
Bye. Thank you so much, team.
Yeah,
Bye bye.
thank you everyone. Bye.